Hi guys, so I built a router table. I have this router right here and I bought this insert plate for it, and I was looking for where to mount it, and I didn't want to spend a lot of time and money building a table for the router, and I thought I already have a table and it has a fence and a miter, so my table saw, it extends and it creates this nice gap right here. So I built this extension, and it fits right here in this slot right here under here, and on this side it just sits right here, and I can just push this and lock it on the other side. And because this part is flush, the fence can move across this extension, and on this side, it also moves freely. So cool. So now all I have to do is grab my router and insert it right here. Okay, here we go. And then for extra security, I can even add some screws right here. And we are ready to go. I can now use my router. I only have to turn it. And there we go. So yeah, it works fine for now. Yeah. And not only that, but I also got this insert plate, which has the same size. It's actually very similar to the other one. You see, it's the same brand and all. So that I can mount my jigsaw right here. So it stays screwed like that. And so now I have a nice table for my jigsaw, which I can use like so. There, not the perfect solution, but it was cheaper than buying a bandsaw or something. So yeah, I can now route stuff and jigsaw stuff on my table saw.